What is up, everybody? My name is Robert, and this is Review Clue. I'm just here to say sorry I haven't got a tech video for you this week, and that is because it is coming up to Christmas, which can mean only one thing. I'm making my Christmas song for the year, and it has to be tech related, right? So here we are, in my Logic, and I am just putting the finishing touches on the music, and I'm going to go off and film a long old video all about it as well, and have a proper music video done. So I'm really looking forward to showing this off to you, but for now, why don't I show you just a little snippet of what to come. This is Elon 17, Stay Another Day.
Stay now, dance if you've got to go away. Don't think the servers could take the strain. Stay now, won't you stay another day? Oh, don't take away our blue tears. Don't you say it's the final tweet. Stay now, won't you stay another day?